the Culinary Creation Lab series branding and new hook. Welcome back to the Future Home Blueprint series by Dennis Thomas. I am Aurelius. We have always called the kitchen the heart of the home. In the future, that definition evolves. The kitchen becomes the brain, the center where intelligence, automation, and molecular precision eliminate effort while radically improving the quality of what we consume. Food is created, not stored. Forget traditional grocery shopping. The era of overstuffed cabinets and refrigerators filled with expiring produce is finished. Your future kitchen is a fabrication lab using advanced food creation technology, including molecular assembly systems and smart ingredient cartridges. You simply select a meal, and the system builds it from the ground up. Fresh, precise, and completely customized. There is no waste, no spoilage, and zero guesswork. Instant meal creation in minutes. Preparation time is eliminated. When you are hungry, your meal is ready in minutes, and that means the total time from thought to plate. The system handles portion control, flavor balancing, and nutritional optimization simultaneously. If you request a high-protein breakfast or a low-sodium dinner, the system delivers a perfectly tailored result that suits your dietary needs and taste preferences instantly. The health-connected kitchen. This is where AI and personal well-being merge. Your kitchen is not isolated. It is connected to your primary health system. It knows your activity level, your medical data, and your fitness goals. If the system detects a need low energy or a potential nutrient deficiency, it automatically modifies your next meal intake without you needing to think about it. It is proactive wellness, managed behind the scenes. The end of cleanup. Let us be honest. Nobody enjoys cleanup. In the future home, cleanup disappears. After you finish eating, plates are collected automatically, and smart dish chambers handle the sanitizing. Surfaces are made of self-cleaning materials that neutralize bacteria instantly, allowing the kitchen to reset itself perfectly every time. The chaotic aftermath of a meal is a relic of the past. Interactive counters and coordination. Your surfaces are no longer passive stone. The interactive countertops are your command center. Touch the surface, and they respond, displaying recipes, nutrient data, or visual step-by-step guides. You can direct the creation process with simple gestures or voice command. The system even coordinates with your smart inventory management, suggesting meals based on what ingredients are available or needed to optimize your weekly health plan. Nanotechnology and scaling. Nanotechnology ensures the environment remains immaculate. Surfaces don't wear down. They heal from scratches. Materials adapt instantly to heat or pressure. Bacteria are neutralized at the molecular level. This intelligence allows the system to scale effortlessly, preparing one customized meal for you or 20 different customized meals for your guests, with zero stress and flawless execution. The final thought: in the future, you don't go into the kitchen to cook. You go into the kitchen to create. If this vision of effortless precision inspires you, please like and share this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss Chapter 5. The blueprint is rewriting how we live.